Why does a car going 60 kilometers per hour north tell us more than just 60 kilometers per hour? Let's find out. In physics, we measure lots of things: speed, force, time, distance. But did you know there are two types of quantities? They're called scalars and vectors, and the difference between them is direction. A scalar quantity only has magnitude. That means it tells you how much, but not where to. For example, speed, 60 kilometers per hour. Just how fast, no direction. Time, 2 hours, no direction needed. Temperature, 30 degrees Celsius. You feel it, but it doesn't point anywhere. So, scalars are simple. They're like numbers without an arrow. So, a vector quantity has both magnitude and direction. Velocity, like 60 kilometers per hour north. That tells you how fast and where it's going. Force, 10 newtons to the right. The push or pull really depends on direction. Displacement, 5 meters east. It's not just how far, but from where to where. Vectors are kind of like arrows. They tell you how much and which way. Okay, let's compare distance and displacement. Distance is a scalar and displacement is a vector. Imagine you walk 5 kilometers all around a park and end up right where you started. So your distance traveled is 5 kilometers, but your displacement is 0 kilometers because, well, you didn't actually change your position. Now let's talk about speed and velocity. Speed is a scalar, while velocity is a vector. For example, if a car is speeding at 80 kilometers per hour in a circle, it definitely has speed. But since it's always changing direction, its velocity keeps changing too. So just remember, scalars tell you just how much, while vectors tell you how much and in which direction. Knowing the difference really helps you solve problems way more accurately in physics. Next time someone says they ran 5 kilometers, just ask them, which way? That's the power of vectors.